How to place a trade in Metatrader 4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to place an order in Metatrader 4. For that case, you have to make sure that the account is verified and that you're already connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, go ahead and log in into your account. After that, go ahead and click the trade icon from the bottom and click the arrow icon in the top right and go to orders. As you click on orders, then it's going to show you the interface as new order. Then you have to click on that. After that, select the instrument you want to trade from the drop down list, and in the order type section or from the drop down list, select for immediate executions or pending order for delay executions when price reaches your specified levels. Next, you'll need to determine whether you want to buy or sell in the same drop down list. Impute the size of the position. You can also put an expiry date on the position. Then click the sell or buy button to the option to open your position, and you've successfully place a trade in Metatrader 4. So that is how you can place a trade in Metatrader 4. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.